Good morning, children. Police DAV Public School welcome you in today's GK Class 5. I hope you have completed your previous work. Children, today we will do an interesting page related to woman power. It is page number 42 and great personalities, that is page number 32. Are you ready? Before starting, let's have a look at the learning outcomes. You will be able to identify world-famous personalities after reading the given clues. First, listen to this anthem that gives tribute to women all over the world.
हर सवेरा यहाँ तू है, सब वहाँ है जहाँ तू है। कदमों में तेरे जन्नतें बिछी हैं, जलवों में तेरे शोहरतें छुपी हैं। तू खुदा की दुआ, सब्र से रब ने तुझको सजाया। धूप धूप जग तू है साया, तेरे रूप में सब कुछ पाया। रह के जमी पर आसमां तूने छुआ है, आसमां तूने छुआ है, आसमां तूने छुआ है। तू उड़ाने तुझ बिन सब कुछ सूना सूना, तुझ बिन कुछ न रहे जिंदा। घुटने टेक दे तेरे आगे, नाकामी हो शर्मिंदा। सब्र से रब ने तुझको सजाया, धूप धूप जग तू है साया। तेरे रूप में सब कुछ पाया। रह के जमी पर आसमां तूने छुआ है, आवर जलवाया। तू उड़ाने हर सवेरा यहाँ तू है, सब वहाँ है जहाँ तू है।
Children, this song is dedicated to all women who are playing a great role in the growth and development of society. Women always play an important role from their birth till the end of their life. Listen to the clues carefully. Do they remind you of someone you have read or heard about? Let's start. First woman scientist to receive Nobel Prize in Science. She discovered radium and polonium. She was Marie Curie. First elected woman Prime Minister of the world. She was the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka in 1960. Her full name is Sri Mehbooba Bandaranaike. First woman leader of a Muslim country in modern history. She was the Prime Minister of Pakistan from 1988 to 1990. She is Benazir Bhutto. The name is Benazir Bhutto. First Indo-American woman in space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia. She is Kalpana Chawla. In 2003, she died in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster along other 7 crew members. Next, first celebrated nun to receive the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. She is Mother Teresa. Her authorized biography was written by Naveen Chawla and published in 1992. The last is first Indian woman Prime Minister. She was the daughter of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. She is Indira Gandhi. She belonged to Congress Party. See the next pic. She was a famous queen of England. She ruled England for 63 years. She was also the Empress of India. Her name is Queen Victoria. There is a memorial in Kolkata built in her name. So, she is Queen Victoria. The next picture is of a person who was born in log cabin. He loved reading. He is Abraham Lincoln. He became the President of USA. The next is the picture of a sailor who sailed across Atlantic Ocean and discovered America. His surname was Columbus. Can you guess the name? Yes, he was Christopher Columbus. The next person is Walt Disney. He first became known in 1930s for creating cartoon characters. One of his famous cartoon characters is Mickey Mouse, and we all love watching it. The last famous personality is, can you guess? He made himself the Emperor of France in 1804. He was ambitious and he set out to conquer the whole of Europe. He was Napoleon Bonaparte. Complete these 2 pages in your book. Now children, it's activity time. There's a small activity for you. Dr. Rashmi Vij, a living example of woman power. The name does not need any introduction. She is the founder principal of Police DAV Public School. Now children, what you have to do? Collect information on Dr. Rashmi Vij and write 10 to 12 lines on her life and achievements. Complete the activity on A4 sheet and send the click to your class teacher. Thank you and have a cheerful day.